Good evening guys. Let's go and connect it to X0 interface of my firewall. So I took one Ethernet cable and I just connected to X0 interface and I'm going to connect it to my laptop. So before that, just run and type ncpa.cpl so that you can able to see what is going on. Okay, let's go and connect it. See here, I have connected, and the moment when I connected, I believe I got a IP address. Just double click, then click on details. See here, it's given the IP address 192.168.168.65. So this is the IP address which I got it from SonicWALL, guys. Be careful what I am trying to show here. So this is the IP address which I got it. And what is the gateway IP, which is 192.168.168.168. So this is my SonicWALL IP address. Okay guys, and I have connected where? I have connected to X0 interface. Clear guys? So this is, everybody has to remember this. Okay, and as you know that you need to open any browser. Mostly I recommended to go with Mozilla Firefox. Then after that, the default username is admin and the default password is password. So make sure that it's a case sensitive, guys. You need to type it in small letters so that you can able to log in your appliance. Okay guys, so let's go and do that. So what I am trying to do now, let's cancel from here. Then after that, just open browser. So I am going to open my browser. Then I am going to type it here 192.168.168.168. It's HTTPS, guys. Then after that, you can say advance, accept the risk. Then see here, at first you are going to see this screen. To launch SonicWALL setup guide, click here. I don't want to launch the setup guide. I am going to use manually. Okay. So to configure the SonicWALL manually, click here. That's it. Then here there is admin and the default is password. So by default, I am going to type password. Then after that, you log. There you go. You can see the wonderful screen here. Okay guys, if you see here the status and all, you can able to see your SonicWALL is not registered so far. So I have to do that step first of all before I am going to start any configurations. Okay guys, so if I click on this, right now I don't have internet, so that I am not able to get anything, guys. So for you to understand, make sure that by default in the SonicWALL there is a policy, guys, which is going to enable the internet connection for your X0 interface. See here, X0 interface is acting as a LAN and X1 is acting as your WAN. And also, what is the IP address in X0? It's configured 192.168.168.168. Okay guys, and also I just want to show it to you one more thing, that X1 interface is belongs to the WAN and the NAT policies by default is enabled on X0 interface to X1 interface. You can able to see that. So if you see here, there is, guys, be focus it on that so that everybody will be clear what I am trying to show it here. See here, traffic coming from anywhere and it's going to translate. I'm going to explain to you all this, you don't worry about that, because what I'm trying to tell you, by default on your LAN zone, because it's a zone based firewall, that X0 interface is belongs to, if you see here, the X0 interface by default is belongs to the LAN zone. Okay, by default it has this IP address, which is 192.168.168.168. okay, and also there is NAT policy is enabled, and also there is one more important thing, guys, there is firewall and access rules. You can able to see that. Okay, for example, if you want to see here, if you want to see from LAN to WAN, so go here, close. By default the traffic from, I'm sorry for this, by default from LAN to WAN is allowed, but same time if you want to see from your WAN to LAN, for example WAN to LAN, if you see here, all the traffic is denied. Okay guys, by default these things are there, so you nothing to worry. So just go to network and click on the interface. then you can able to see that. Okay guys, so hope you guys are able to enjoying my videos, and I'm going to connect the internet as well in my next video. And these are all things we are going to see guys, each and every option we are going to see in my video series. And moreover, after seeing this, you can able to do the sonic wall properly without any tension. Hope you are enjoying these videos guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, and I forgot to show you some basic stuff guys. What is that? So the moment when I log in here, I just want to show it to you some of the interesting stuff which I told you guys, right? So what is that? First you just go to system and see the status. Still I didn't register my appliance, so my concern is that first register the appliance, then after that do the changes according to that. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this.